In today's video, I'm going to show you Makera Z1 versus NestWorks C500. The Makera Z1 is designed as a desktop-friendly CNC machine that brings precision machining to creators, hobbyists, educators, and small studios. It offers a compact footprint with 0.02 mm machining accuracy, 4-axis capability for complex parts, a quick tool changer, smart auto probing and leveling, and integrated dust management. The machine also includes a built-in camera for real-time monitoring and pairs with the Makera Studio software ecosystem, which simplifies design to production workflows and supports community sharing of projects. Its low entry-level price and accessible design make it an attractive option for first-time CNC users and creative makers looking to expand into milling and engraving tasks. The NestWorks C500, by contrast, targets a more professional-oriented segment within the desktop CNC market. It features a much more powerful 800W spindle capable of machining harder materials including aluminum, titanium, and even steel, along with an automatic tool changer, RFID-based tool tracking, and 3D probe support for precise setup. With a larger work area and a heavy-duty frame designed for rigidity, the C500 aims to bridge the gap between hobby machines and industrial tools by offering desktop-sized metal machining performance. Its proprietary CAM software helps automate toolpath generation and material handling, making advanced workflows more accessible even for users without deep machining expertise. In summary, Makera Z1 excels in accessibility, ease of use, and versatility for creative projects and lighter CNC tasks, while NestWorks C500 stands out for power, material capability, and professional-grade features that better suit demanding metalworking and production-oriented use cases. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.